It's the rear of this Ribquest 650 GT. Got a fold-away table, so that just pushes down. That really nice U-berth seating, all moulded to the deck. Some cup holders. Got this nice foam teak floor all the way through. Helm and co-pilot position with some nice back bolsters that also come down and provide really good lateral stability. Moving forward to the helm, really nice carbon effect, Fusion sound system, Simrad VHF with DSC, Simrad's chart plotter, and some engine dials there. Wireless phone charger. Fusion speaker.